Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Affirm for paying in installments with your credit card step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Affirm website by typing affirm.com in the address bar. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in the required fields, click Get Started to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Affirm. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Affirm website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will need to link your credit card. Look for the option that says Add a payment method or link a card. Select the type of credit card you wish to add, such as Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the information, click Save to link your credit card to your Affirm account. Now, navigate to a participating retailer's website where you plan to make a purchase. Select the items you wish to buy and proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment section, choose Affirm as your payment method. You will be prompted to log into your Affirm account if you haven't already. After logging in, you will see the installment payment options available for your purchase. Review the terms, such as the payment schedule and any applicable interest rates. Select the installment plan that works best for you. Confirm your choice and proceed to complete your purchase. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email from both the retailer and Affirm. You can manage your payment schedule through the Affirm dashboard at any time. Make sure to check your email or Affirm account regularly for updates on your payment status. Feel free to reach out to Affirm's customer support if you have any questions or issues during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.